This video is about why drawing famous people is a good practice and a great way to improve your drawing skills. Here's the breakdown. I think you know very well that drawing landscapes, trees or plants, animals or different objects is a lot easier than drawing people because you have more room for mistakes. It's more forgiving because a small mistake might not be noticeable. Drawing portraits is harder than drawing unfamiliar things. It's hard to draw people accurately because everyone can tell if something looks off in a human face. People are familiar with human faces and can easily spot errors. It's the hardest thing because any small mistake will be noticeable. Artists have been drawing themselves for ages, and it's not just because they love looking at themselves. You are always available and you know your own face best, so it's easy to spot any mistakes in your drawing. You don't need to hire a model. This makes self-portraits perfect for getting lots of practice drawing people. If you don't like to draw yourself, the next best thing is nowadays that you choose to draw random faces from magazines or from the internet. Okay, but why is drawing famous faces the hardest thing ever? It can be a real challenge because everyone knows what the famous person looks like, so you have to be very accurate. You know, choosing a random, unknown face or model from Pinterest who you don't know anything about besides that specific angle in the photo, since you only have 1 or 2 photos from that person, isn't the same thing. If you draw that unknown person and you make some mistakes, little mistakes, then you might see that something is off, but then you think, okay, it's good enough. But in the case of a famous person, you know from thousands of photos, it will bother you. You would try to fix the smallest mistakes until you're somewhat content with the result. So, choosing a celebrity helps you improve your skills. It helps you learn how to draw proportions and features accurately. You need to pay attention to details like proportions, shadows, and angles. People know what celebrities look like, so you can get feedback on how accurate your drawing is. There are many resources available since everyone knows what celebrities look like. Choose a celebrity you've seen from different angles in photos, music videos, or movies. This will help you capture their features more accurately. So, drawing celebrities is a great way to challenge yourself and improve your drawing skills. If you choose to draw celebrities you admire, it can make the drawing and learning process more enjoyable. If you choose your favorite famous person, you will probably be able to capture their essence, their soul, through your admiration, if you know what I mean. Maybe you can draw their eyes more realistically or vibrantly. Essentially, we humans are driven by our emotions. Emotions and feelings move our lives in every aspect. And I don't think I need to tell you what the common thread is between emotions and art.